It is the annual Lagos Tech Fest, a convergence of emerging startups, innovators, investors, government representatives, and tech enthusiasts. Speaking at the event, Tolu Adeyinka, Fintech Business Development West Africa for Mastercard, said that the company's commitment to connect, empower, an inclusive digital economy and partnership that benefits everyone, including fintech solutions, remains unwavering.
Mastercard is like a glue that merges everybody in the ecosystem together. And how do I mean? There are different partners within the ecosystem. We have something we call the four-party model, for instance, where if you are going to issue cards, for instance, you have to have a bank as a fintech. You have to have a processor, you have to work with Mastercard, you have different parties within the system. So you realize that collaboration is needed, but Mastercard is the one providing the technology. A lot of people need to understand that Mastercard is not just a card company, it is a technology company, and it is the fintech of all fintechs, right? Providing the infrastructure to enable the ecosystem work smoothly. Another thing we do is that we have a program we call the Start Path for fintechs. So we encourage fintechs to apply for this program where we expose them to our global expertise, things that have been done in other markets. We bring our experts who deliver those objectives in other markets to come and listen to these fintechs and help them to get to a position where they can go to market easily. So these are some of the things that we do for fintech. So by the time we give them access to market, we give them exposure to technology, we give them exposure to knowledge as well. That way they are able to scale faster, grow faster, and have access to multiple markets at the same time. Because if they concentrate in one market, for instance, they may create value in one market, but in the process of scaling, they may need to go to other markets and create more value. So in that way, Mastercard is present in almost 200 countries. So we will be there waiting for them and getting our colleagues in those markets to support them in opening up multiple markets globally.
The event also attracted exhibitors from across the continent.
So what we're bringing to people is Zap Africa. Zap Africa is a non-custodial crypto exchange that allows users to convert crypto to fiat, fiat to crypto, and crypto to other cryptocurrencies. We instituted a zero-hold policy which ensures that we never hold on or retain users' funds after the cryptocurrency transaction has already happened, and this mitigates most of the problems traditionally associated with digital asset exchanges in Nigeria. And I feel like with this we've been able to create a more secure and safe environment for users and people that want to engage in cryptocurrency transactions.
Crypto is well used, especially from like the users that we've been getting. I've noticed that like a lot more people than everyone thinks uses crypto. So the crypto volume in Nigeria is about $56 billion in a year, and that's $150 million a day, which is crazy. So it's a very good landscape for crypto right now.
Well, so I mean, at Money Point, we're empowering dreams, all right, and creating a society where everyone can experience financial happiness. And technology is our biggest asset. So it makes sense that we'll be here to share the gospel of the fact that Money Point helps to power dreams and ensure that we can create a society where financial happiness becomes the order of the day. In terms of what we've come to the fair with, we have a whole range of suits. All right, personal banking is big. We launched personal banking in August last year, and just layering on the transparency, the reliability that Money Point has brought to the market. All right, we've extended that same courtesy to personal banking service, meaning that anyone and everyone can own a personal account that will be reliable, that will be fast, transparent, and every time ensure that your money no hang. So yes, that's what we'll come to the fair with. I think this product is solid and it works. All right, and in terms of the differentiator, I think that we've been able to build a robust and reliant infrastructure that has been acclaimed and is always guaranteed to succeed. And I think that there's no other competitor in the market that can put his hand on his chest and say that we have reliable infrastructure. Only Money Point can do that.
We as Krella, we are InsurTech. We offer insurance solutions to
phone, the screen majorly, we show the screen of the smartphone. So we provide these solutions for everybody. We know how the economy is tough right now and parts are expensive. Even your phone now, the expensive phone you have now, the price has gone up. So if anything should happen to the screen of your phone, so we say come to Squella, ensure your device with Squella. So when anything happens to the screen, we're able to sort it out for you. Make you stress-free, taking that stress or that burden from you. So we just want you guys to come on our platform and we'll be able to give you a stress-free relationship with your phone, keeping your phone continuously in your hand. So that's what we do.
PBN is a community as a service company. So we bring together leaders, founders, investors, operators, top professionals and entrepreneurs aimed at reducing the distance for them. So the distance between them and all of their professional and business goals. Yes. I would say it's very secure. It's for members. So before you become a member of PBN, there's a vetting process and somebody in the community has to refer you to join. So there's that trust and safety for all members. Interestingly, so most of the companies here are members. This one, Squella, MoneyPoint, Zero Complex. So the aim of PBN is to enable people synergize, collaborate, so that your company grows from where you are till tomorrow. Because how businesses grow is through partnerships, and that's the main reason for our existence.
We're Daramat. We are an e-commerce platform. We're an online platform where we sell unique, affordable, quality gadgets. So there's been an issue, or would I say there's been a problem with getting quality tech accessories, mobile accessories, laptop accessories in Nigeria. So we are the one-stop shop for that. Quality products, affordable prices. Daramat.
Clever, we actually help freelancers and individuals working in Nigeria right now to receive money from outside Nigeria, for instance the US and Europe. So what we will help you do is we'll help you create a USD account that you can now send to your customers and they can easily pay you via that. And when you receive this, then you convert it to Naira anytime you want. One of our major differential factors, one is our speed of remittance, right? So whenever you want to receive your money, it's one of the fastest you can get at the market right now. Let's say you want to withdraw your funds to use for anything, right? You get it almost immediately, like when you are withdrawing. Then secondly, our second differential factor is our response time to customers. So we could really boast that our customer service is really very, very fast. Yeah.
Basically, Shortlet app is a dynamic hub where the magic of connection happens between hosts and potential guests or clients to make their reservations and complete their bookings as well. So we are here to exhibit our wonderful solution to the world. We are bringing in something that is really unique to our African rich culture, and this is really personalized for us in terms of processing your payments, in terms of KYCs, identifying your customers and verifying their identities. We take that in place too. We also verify addresses of our clients, so we make it a safe place for a safe community for everyone. So basically, Shoplet is not just a basic rentals platform. It's more like a community. It's more like community that is shaping the hospitality business in Africa with commitments to the rich tapestry of African culture.
Okay, Exit Africa is an organization that trains Africans into different areas in tech, like design, development, and data. And this training spans for 3 months intensive training, and after the 3 months you get to do your 1 month project-based training, which qualifies you for an internship after your training. Also, our methodology of teaching is very, very intensive in the sense that it's a live class where students get to ask questions, have this one-on-one relationship with the mentors. So it's almost an 100% impact learning process. Learning education is about connection. That's when you can assimilate better, you can ask questions, you can relate with whoever is mentoring you and all like that. So that's one of our selling points. And also we plug in our students after training.
Flick is a fintech that is currently, promoting financial inclusion across Africa. Right? How exactly are we doing that? So what Flick does is Flick helps, companies build, more effective financial products. Right? So we're payment and open banking, infrastructure. Right? So some of our services, some of the things that we do is one of these we do quite specifically is we help businesses, get paid. Right? So and then we also help them pay. So what that means more or less is we help them with their transactions, right? Another thing that we do on the data end is we give access to financial data, right? So and that's exactly what open banking is. Open banking literally means giving a customer, right? So that's you and I, right? Giving access, third-party access to his data. That data can now be used, to build, like I said, financial products. For example, even a loan company, right? With your data, it can be analyzed and to build, or maybe to just determine, the credit worthiness of that customer. So yeah, so that's primarily what it does.
Okay, so here at Prodes, we're a tech company, but we also major in recruitment and outsourcing of technical talent. So if you're looking to hire software developers, designers, data analysts, whatever it is, as long as it centers around tech, we're a go-to organization to help you meet your recruitment needs. So yeah, we have talents spread across Africa. We're looking to bridge that gap, cater for talents that are in Africa. We're not, because how Indians are, they are everywhere, especially when it comes to tech recruitment in the tech space, right, the tech world. But we are looking to bridge that gap for African talents, make sure African talents get exposed in the tech world, get jobs. Precisely, that's what we do.